Hello everyone, welcome today. Today it's war day number 322. 322 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, January the 11th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and a regular killer Sudoku. Three regular Sudokus. But we have also an additional, let me show you, an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in a Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, and I will solve also these regular puzzles. Alright, but first I will do these regular puzzles, and in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles in additional half of them, yes. And this one will be number 7, I believe. Do not make a mistake. 5771, yes. 5771, yeah. Tuesday, yeah. 5771. This will be, let me use the red pencil. 5771. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, wow, a lot of O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 23 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, we have here, I believe, 10 boxes, 10 by 10. Yes, it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's. We have here 5 O's or 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, alright, so let's get started. A double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, and there one. Then we have a double one here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Let me scan. Double one, here no, there no. Alright, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And now, between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And now I need to. Oh, here we have between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Well, well, 3. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Do I need to compare? No, I cannot compare. I need more. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, double O. Here one, there one. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then these 3 boxes are ones. 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. And we have 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 here. I cannot. 3. No, I need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. Well. Ay. Maybe I need to compare. But we have here 1 row, 2nd row. How about this? This row and the last row. Okay. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here in this column, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Yeah, ones. Okay, how about here? 3 3. No. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. Come on. 1 2. We have here 3. Yeah, I need to think. I need number 4 here. 1 2 3. We have a 10 10 here. We have a 10 10. Look. This row and the same row here. Well, look. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now. 1 2 3 4. Here, oh dear. Compare again. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. No. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, 4 ones, okay. 4 ones we have here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, yeah. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1, so white. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And now we have here 4 ones in the last column. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. There should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not helping me, but need to compare, I think. Need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Here. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Or 3. Oh, no. Here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah. This row. And that row. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Compare. 1, 1. Oh, 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 oh. 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh. 1, 1, oh, oh. Empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And how about those 2 columns or these 2 rows? This first column and 4th column. All right. Empty box. Oh, oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, 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 1, 1, oh, oh. Empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes, completed in 12 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.